Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding out if you have been shadow banned on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To do this, you will need to use a web browser. Anyone will do, so open up a web browser and go to shadowban.eu. Type in your username after the @ symbol and then tap check. You will now see a list of all of the types of bans and whether you are shadow banned or not. If you tap on the drop-down arrow after the ban, you can learn more about that type of ban. The shadow ban is the one called ghost ban. As you can see, I have not been shadow banned. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitter tips and tricks.